Tuplaman New Island come back long Papua New Guinea. Chief Justice of Year Blong Court na Justice. Na all house kalabus mas senisim all trouble man. Here now I'm on MTV National News headline long talk pisin. Tuplaman New Island usati bin drip solwara last year, I come back pinis long country. Rickson Masol na Chris Pagan blong New Island ibin ron long boat lusim ples Fisoa na ilay gosem long Simberi Island. Long display ron blong all motor blong boat ibin die, no li drip something osem 41 day ol geta in Napoli kamap sua long nambis blong Federated States of Micronesia. Today, to play comeback long Mosby, one time Halevim, belong International Organization, belong Migration. Chief Justice Salamo Injia, today he asked him all Walkman Mary belong court na justice long country, long make him something straight, by walk justice he can come up strong. Chief Justice Salamo, he give him this to talk, long make him op him, belong year 2016, belong court na justice. Salamo, he talk justice, emi no something belong talk tasol. Emi something where he must come up less clear, by him he can stop strong long country. Prime Minister Peter O'Neill itok amamas long ogeta sumatin na papa mama long come up him good school year long 2016. Em itok all pikinini usat now he stop long school today, em all education generation long now, usat iksim save long free education. Mr. O'Neill itok all geta one pikinini long country igat right long kisim school, maski all igat money all inogat. Government by stop long buy him school fee long all. Igat mo long 5,000 kalabus man Mary stop inside long ogetol house kalabus long country. Display number mark emi 50% or half more long mark well house kalabus yet he can look out him. Tasol ogeta house kalabus he like him by one kalabus man, he can send him passing blongen inap emi go out or sem new man or Mary. Long strong him display emi come up him rehabilitation program belong all kalabus. Now display program he work long karim kai.
Emi give him second chance long life blow man. The time man emi come, emi wrong, emi come meet within this place, emi look savage, oh, life emi all same. Me got role by me playing inside long family, inside long community, and big play long inside long country belong here.
Now inside long sports news today, OnePlus Sports Delegation or Lion Walkman Mary now to soli pinisim round ni go long Tonga. Long look save, long one ha PNG can give him halevim long Tonga, by all he can ready good, long look out him 2019 Pacific Games. Minister belong Sports, Justin Tachenko, he talk him all leader na people long Tonga, or some PNG staff ready to sol, long give him halavim long all. Na planting on strong play rugby league player belong PNG, now we work long pull him strong play look save long all Arapla country. Two play new play name em Kato Otio, usati bin pilay long SP PNG Hunters, na now we kiss him look save long step inside long team, belong Canberra Raiders, he go long Auckland Nines. Narpla player em Rod Griffin and Bipo Kumul player, usat now ikisim look save long pilay one time all West Tigers. Sol on National MTV News headline long talk pisin long yumi long today. Looking you long one kind time long tomorrow night. Good night.